G'day guys, and for everyone here in Australia, happy Australia Day. It's the 26th of Jan and it's a good day to celebrate Australia, and that means it's a perfect time to go pick an Australian lock. Now this is one that was sent in the package that I just received from Don's Locks. And I was really tempted to pick this Lockwood Assa Abloy because I absolutely love padlocks. This is the 334B45, but I thought, well, Lockwood is an Australian company, but going through the package I found this little Lockwood. It's a Lockwood Assa Abloy barrel lock or oval lock, so there is a couple of names for them, but this one's got the product code on here is 570/101 SC5KA. So I haven't had a go at picking this one just yet. I thought do it first time on camera. That's my camera will focus. Come on. It's what the bitting looks like. So I got some high cut pins hiding behind low cut, which does work nicely. Yep. Put the key over there and get this all set up, ready to pick. Okay, so as you can see, I've got it put up in the vise. I just took the flag down and it still works. So I'm going to use top of the keyway, and let's try my short hook. Zoom in here. Top of the keyway. It's a bit of a tight squeeze. It's got a little bit of flop in the core here, which wouldn't surprise me actually if these are all spools. Just with that amount of flop and being one of the Assa Abloy Lockwoods. So most of the time they do contain all spools, which is a bit of a downside. Personally, I would love to see some of Assa's other pins, like their barrels and stuff like that in them, but so click off 5. That counter rotation off 3. Oh, that was 1. Slight turn on the core. Slipped off that. If you can see that, a bit of counter rotation. Click off 3 again. Okay, I'm just going to switch because I can feel this is just a little bit too wide in here. I keep oversetting, I think one of those pins by the feels of it, so I grab one of my slightly higher reach picks. It's got slightly thinner shaft on it. Oh, there we go. That was pin 2. Gotten open. Alright, sorry about that. Just had someone knocking on the office door here. Right, move that pick over there. So, definitely is an open. And I can go ahead and lock him back up. Oh, let me zoom out here. So with all that counter rotation on, really thinking that they're all spools in there. Alright. Put that down there, move this camera down. Got a pinning tray. My one and only that I made. Sit on there. Right. Should have zoomed right out. I need a Phillips screwdriver. Need tweezers, a follower, put the tension wrench back, and key. Turn it like that. It's only a 5-pin. It's missing number 6, so it's got enough holes for 6 pins, but I only use 5. Pretty standard. It's got 2 spots for anti-drill pins, but don't look, you know, there's none in there. It's a bit of gunk though. Alright, there, we'll go through that. We have a standard, another standard, and standard. Turn these around. It's nothing in the core. Look upstairs. Move this light for a sec. pin 1. It's a spool, one of those very narrow waisted spools. Steel spring coming out. Two, another spool. These are they're not very deep spools. Whoops, there's a spring. There's another steel. Alright, spool. Steel spring, turn it around. Spool in 5. Launching springs everywhere, where did that go? There. Lucky last. Another spool. And there's nothing done to the Bible. Nothing at all. Completely clear in there. So, just move these down. So pretty much the same as most of these Assa Abloys I come across. They're all standards down the bottom, and then all these very thin spools, or not thin, but they've got slightest lip either end. So it's not really that big of a spool, but they do give you some good feedback. So anyway, that's that. So I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their Australia Day. I hope you eat lots of lamingtons and have a few adult beverages and some sausages on the barbie and all that. So enjoy it. It's a fantastic day. Always love Australia Day. So alright, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on so you can see some more videos. Always follow the codes and keep Locksport legal. It's pretty self-explanatory and all that. So until next time, cheers guys.